What if the biggest mistake slowing down your fat loss progress happens before breakfast, before work, and before your day even begins? Most people think weight gain is caused by what they eat at lunch or dinner. Others blame their age, their metabolism, or a lack of exercise. But what if the first hour after waking up quietly determines many of the food choices you make for the rest of the day? That may sound surprising, but stay with me because what you're about to learn could completely change the way you think about your mornings. Every day, millions of people wake up with the goal of losing weight. They promise themselves they will eat better, move more, and stay on track. Yet by the afternoon, cravings start showing up. Energy levels begin dropping. Unhealthy snacks become harder to resist. Then, by evening, many people feel frustrated because they ended up making the same choices they promised to avoid. The interesting part is that these problems may not start in the afternoon at all. They may begin during the first few moments of the morning. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We share simple health and wellness tips designed to help you make smarter choices without complicated diets or unrealistic promises. And tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you do after waking up each morning? Your answer may reveal more than you think. Now let's talk about a simple morning formula that has been attracting attention among people who want to support healthy weight management. The formula itself is surprisingly simple. It starts with water, includes a protein-rich breakfast, and adds a small amount of movement early in the day. Nothing expensive, nothing extreme, no miracle supplement. Yet many people overlook these habits because they seem too simple to matter. That may be exactly why they are so powerful. Think about what happens after a long night of sleep. Your body wakes up after several hours without food or water. The choices you make next may influence your hunger, energy, and food decisions throughout the day. Some people immediately grab sugary foods. Others skip breakfast entirely. Some remain inactive for hours after waking. These habits may seem harmless, but they can create a chain reaction that affects the rest of the day. And here is where things become really interesting. The people who appear to stay on track with their weight loss goals often do something very different during that first hour. In fact, one small morning habit may be influencing their appetite in ways many people never realize. And once you understand what that habit is, the rest of this morning formula will start making much more sense. The first habit in this morning formula is so simple that many people completely ignore it. Step 1. Start your day with water. After several hours of sleep, your body wakes up without fluids. Yet many people do not drink water right away. Instead, they reach for coffee, sugary drinks, or nothing at all. This may not seem important, but think about how your morning usually goes. You wake up feeling tired. A little later, you feel hungry. Then, cravings begin showing up. What many people do not realize is that thirst and hunger can sometimes feel surprisingly similar. That is why many health experts encourage starting the day with a glass of water. It is a small habit, but small habits often create bigger results than people expect. Now here comes the second part of the formula. Step 2. Make protein your morning priority. Most people think breakfast is all about cereal, toast, pastries, or sweet foods. The problem is that these meals may leave some people feeling hungry again not long afterward. Protein works differently. Foods such as eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or other protein-rich options may help support feelings of fullness. When people feel satisfied longer, they may find it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking later in the day. Think about it this way. If your morning meal leaves you hungry by 10 a.m., the rest of the day becomes much harder. Every craving feels stronger. Every snack looks more tempting. That is why many successful weight management plans focus on helping people stay satisfied rather than simply eating less. But there is one more piece to this formula, and it may be the most overlooked of all. Step 3. Move before your day takes over. This does not mean running for miles or spending hours in a gym. Something as simple as a short walk, gentle stretching, or a few minutes of movement can help break the cycle of waking up and immediately sitting for hours. A friend once told me that he changed only one thing in his routine. Every morning he took a short walk before starting work. He did not follow an extreme diet. He did not buy expensive products. Yet he noticed that he felt more energized and more motivated to make better choices throughout the day. And that may be the real secret. The morning formula is not about one magical ingredient. It is about creating momentum. However, many people unknowingly destroy that momentum before lunchtime because of one breakfast mistake that seems completely harmless. In fact, millions of people make this mistake every single morning without realizing how much it may be affecting their progress. Have you ever eaten breakfast and then felt hungry again just a short time later? If so, you are not alone. One of the biggest mistakes people make is starting the day with foods that give a quick burst of energy but do very little to keep them satisfied. Sweet cereals, pastries, donuts, sugary coffee drinks, and many packaged breakfast foods may taste great in the moment, but the feeling often does not last very long. A few hours later, hunger returns. Then the snacking begins. Then come the cravings. And before the day is even halfway over, many people have already consumed far more calories than they planned. But sugary breakfasts are not the only problem. Mistake number 2. Drinking your calories. Many people pay attention to food but completely forget about drinks. Fancy coffees, sweet teas, energy drinks, and flavored beverages can quietly add hundreds of extra calories throughout the day. The surprising part is that these drinks often do not create the same feeling of fullness that food does. That means a person may drink a large number of calories and still feel hungry afterward. And then there is another mistake that catches many people by surprise. Mistake number 3, skipping breakfast. Completely. Some people wake up, rush out the door, and eat nothing for hours. At first, this may seem like a good way to reduce calories, but for some people it can lead to extreme hunger later in the day. When that happens, making healthy choices becomes much harder. This is why many successful weight management plans focus on creating balance rather than extremes. The interesting thing is that none of these mistakes have anything to do with willpower. They are often the result of routines, and routines can be changed. But before you start thinking this entire process is about food, there is one final factor that may influence your appetite, energy, motivation, and daily choices more than people realize. Most people focus on what happens after they wake up. Very few pay attention to what happened the night before. The final piece of this puzzle begins before your alarm clock even rings. Sleep. Many people focus on food, exercise, and supplements while completely ignoring the quality of their sleep. Yet sleep may influence many of the decisions you make the following day. Think about how you feel after a poor night's sleep. You wake up tired. You feel less motivated. Healthy choices seem harder. Cravings feel stronger. Even a simple workout can feel like a challenge. This is one reason many health experts believe good sleep should be part of any healthy weight management plan. When people consistently get enough quality rest, they often find it easier to maintain the habits that support their goals. And this brings us back to the morning formula we discussed today. Notice that there is no miracle drink, no secret powder, no magic food. Instead, the formula is built around a few simple habits. Start your day with water. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Move your body early. Avoid common breakfast mistakes. And give your body the rest it needs at night. None of these habits seem extraordinary on their own. That is exactly what makes them so powerful. The biggest changes often come from simple actions repeated consistently over time. Many people spend years searching for complicated solutions while overlooking the basics that may have the greatest impact on their daily routine. The good news is that you do not need to change everything at once. Start with one habit, then build from there. Small improvements have a way of creating bigger improvements. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Now tell us in the comments, which part of this morning formula do you think would be the easiest for you to start tomorrow? And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and remember, the habits you repeat each day often shape the results you see over time.